Yeah. All this time I waited for a love that was supposed to love me back. I held myself down and waited all this time for someone to love me for me, not just to shine. Thought she'd stay by my side, be loyal and truthful, ride with me forever, be gentle and useful. When she walked into my life, she showed me so much love, made me feel like I'm the only man walking this earth above. I was in ecstasy, but lately something's wrong. She never has time for me, her heart feels gone. I'm in a relationship, but the relationship ain't into me. Now I'm finally waking up to who I need to be. No more tears falling on my pillow, no more lies messing up my head, no more waiting on her call while she's somewhere else instead. I'm done begging for attention, done hurting every night, done letting somebody else turn my sunshine into night. Lead, I'm done pressing for attention, choosing strength over the pain. If you won't love me right, I'll start loving me again. I gave you all I had, and you left me in the cold. You were out there chasing something else while I held on to hope. I stayed loyal through the madness, stayed patient through the hurt, but you never saw my value, never treated me my worth. You kept telling me you love me, but your actions told the truth. You had eyes for everybody while I only looked at you. Now I'm taking back my power, taking back my heart and time. If loving you means losing me, then girl, I won't cross that line. I sacrificed my peace for you, but that was yesterday. Now I'm stronger than the man you kept pushing away. I'm done begging for attention, done hurting every night, done letting your broken love control my heart and life. Yeah, I'm done raising for attention, choosing strength over the pain. If you won't love me right, I'll start loving me again. It's okay, I'm done, I don't want no part of you. Just so you fully understand, this love is through. Yeah, I love you, that's the truth, but I'm not in love no more. Take a final look at me as I'm walking out the door. I'm too worthy to be waiting for attention you won't give, and the damage already done. Now I'm learning how to live. If you lost me, that's a lesson, you won't get this chance again. I thought your love was forever, thought it was heaven sent, but you lied. Now my heart is healing. You're crying cause you lost me, not cause you got real feelings. You're only saying sorry cause you can't use me anymore, anymore. And I'm done begging for attention, done carrying your weight, done letting your selfish love decide my worth or fate. I'm choosing peace and freedom, choosing truth over the pain. If you won't love me right, then I'll love me all the same. Yeah. Time to love me, time